So this is the given problem statement here. So it states that if this cos of pi by 8 cubed times cos of 3 pi over 8, and here power is 1, plus sine of pi by 8, and this is cubed over here, and this is sine of 3 pi over 8. If this is equal to p, we need to find p to the power negative 2. So this is what we need to compute. So definitely we have to use identities over here. So here if you observe this 3 pi over 8, and if you observe this pi over 8, so if I combine this, if I add these two terms, that is pi over 8 plus 3 pi over 8, this will result in pi over 2. So here I'll take this pi over 8 and I'll add this with 3 pi over 8. So this will result in pi over 2. Why? Because this is some known value to us, right? So sine of pi by 2, cosine of pi by 2, this is a standard value for us. Now this is the given structure here, right? Now I'll be taking this expression and try to resolve this. So this is p. So let me compute and I'll be getting the value of p from this one. So here, if you observe, so this instead of this 3 pi over 8, this can be written as pi over 2 minus pi over 8, right? So I'll take this expression as it is, and this one can be written as pi over 2 minus pi over 8. So instead of 3 pi over 8, and the same thing I can do for this one as well, right? Now from this one, if you observe, cosine of pi over 8 and sine of pi over 8, this can be factorized out, right? Now if you observe this thing, so here this is pi over 2 minus pi over 8. So this can be written as sine pi over 8. So for this one can be written as sine pi over 8. Similarly for this one can be written as cosine of pi over 8. And now we can observe that sine pi over 8 can be factored out, and cos pi over 8 can also be factored out, right? So in the next step, I'll take sine pi over 8 times cosine of pi over 8. Now in this we can write this one as cos square this particular angle, because one of the cosine pi over 8 is taken out as common factor, and this will be sine pi over 8 squared, and we know this identity that cos x squared plus sin x squared, it is equal to 1, right? So finally, instead of this part, we can write this one as 1, and 1 multiplied by a defined quantity is that very same mathematically defined quantity. Now if I can observe here, so what I will do in this very factor, I will multiply 2 and then I'll divide it by 2. Reason being, I can apply the identity of 2 sin x times cosine x. So following this, instead of this one I can write sine 2x. So this can be written as sine 2x, where x is equal to pi over 8. So this can be written as sine of 2 times the given angle, and sine pi over 4 is something that we are already aware of, right? So on simplifying this one, we'll be getting sine pi over 4, and sine pi over 4 is, this one is 1 by 2 already, and this is 1 by square root of 2, right? 1 over square root of 2. Now this can be written as 1 over 2 times square root of 2, and this is the value of p. But we need to compute this p over negative 2. So p to the power negative 2. So this is what we need to compute. Now on substituting this particular value, right, and taking this power as negative 2, So on resolving this, I'll be getting the answer is, that is 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So therefore 8 is the answer for this particular problem statement, right? So we have used simple trigonometric identities and this angle expansion. So this I've represented in such a way so that I can apply trigonometric identities and resolve this expression as much as possible. And finally, we have used the identity, that is 2 times sine x times cosine of x is equal to sine of 2x, because the sine pi over 4 is something that we are already aware of. After resolving this, we are getting 8 as the answer.